Somewhere in space, there's a planet where the weather can literally kill you. Let me explain. Astronomers discovered a planet called WASP 76b, and it orbits so close to its star that one side is constantly burning, while the other is trapped in permanent darkness, which means on a side facing the sun, temperatures are so extreme they melt iron into vapor, and with violent winds, the metal is carried across the entire planet until it reaches the side that never sees light, where it cools, condenses, and falls from the sky as molten iron rain.